What if Apple is about to launch the biggest iPhone upgrade in years? The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just getting a faster chip or a new color. According to the latest leaks, Apple is preparing massive improvements in battery life, cameras, performance, and AI. If these rumors are accurate, this could easily become the most powerful iPhone Apple has ever made. Let's start with the biggest surprise, the battery. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to feature a huge 5,567 milliamp hour battery for eSIM models, making it the largest battery ever inside an iPhone. Combined with Apple's new A20 Pro processor, built on an advanced 2 nanometer process, users can expect significantly longer battery life while gaming, recording videos, or using AI features. This could finally solve one of the biggest complaints iPhone users have had for years. Performance is also getting a huge boost. The A20 Pro chip is rumored to be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM, making multitasking smoother than ever. Apple is also introducing new LPDDR6 memory and a redesigned chip layout that improves cooling and power efficiency. This means better sustained performance during heavy gaming, video editing, and AI-powered tasks without overheating. Now, let's talk about the cameras, because this is where things get really exciting. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature a 200 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with up to 10 times optical zoom. Apple is also expected to use improved stacked image sensors for faster image processing, better low-light performance, and sharper colors. On the front, leaks suggest a brand new 42-megapixel selfie camera, positioned differently to make the dynamic island even smaller. If these upgrades become reality, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become one of the best smartphone cameras ever made. The display is also receiving major improvements. Apple is expected to keep the large 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. But this year, it could deliver record-breaking brightness, thinner bezels, and a smaller dynamic island. Watching HDR movies, editing photos, and gaming should look even more immersive. Storage options are also expanding. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to offer up to 2 terabytes of storage, giving creators and professionals plenty of space for 4K and 8K videos, raw photos, and large apps without worrying about running out of storage. Connectivity is expected to include 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, ultra-wideband, and Apple's new C2 modem in international models. The phone will reportedly ship with iOS 27. Bringing smarter AI features and better overall efficiency throughout the system. Of course, all these upgrades may come at a higher price. Most industry analysts expect Apple to increase pricing by around $100 compared to the previous generation. That means the iPhone 18 Pro Max could start at approximately $1,299 in the United States. While it isn't cheap, many users may find the upgraded battery, cameras, and performance worth the extra cost. As for the release date, Apple is expected to officially unveil the iPhone 18 Pro Max during the second week of September 2026, with September 9th currently rumored as the announcement date. Pre-orders could begin shortly after, around September 10th or 11th, followed by the official release later that month. So, is the iPhone 18 Pro Max worth waiting for? If these leaks prove accurate, Apple isn't simply making small improvements. It's delivering a flagship with longer battery life, a powerful 200-megapixel camera system, next-generation performance, smarter AI, and premium hardware across the board. For users upgrading from an older iPhone, this could be one of the biggest and most exciting iPhone releases in years.